Hello guys, in this video I will share with you how to make photo files not easily deleted on Windows 11 laptop. For those of you who have important photos in your laptop storage, then you can do this method to keep your photos from being easily deleted on a laptop. The first step is to open the File Explorer on your laptop, then select one of the photos that you think is important on your laptop. If we do any settings, then the photo will be easily deleted, but if you set it as I will do, then the photo is not easily deleted. Pay attention to this small arrow for setting photos so that they are not easily deleted. If you want to delete the photo that you have set earlier, then you need to change the settings as before. To change to the initial settings, pay attention to this small penis sign. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.